Next up is a 2017 Schwing SP 1000X. This machine has a serial number ending in 0635. This is a monster of a machine. This is a 1000. That means is a 70 cubic yard an hour concrete pump. So the first thing that stands out is obviously the wire harness. We're probably gonna be replacing that one. We gotta make sure that the lights work, so it's safe to drive it here in America. And let's see the lights, and we got concrete on them, so nope, those got to be replaced. Then we're gonna go into the jack here and the safety features, such as the lunette. Make sure that is no, this one is in good shape. We don't need to replace it, but the jack more than likely might need to be replaced. It's got some concrete on the bottom. Obviously we're gonna wash the machine. We're gonna take away all them stickers, all those ugly stickers. They gotta go, and then we gotta put brand new stickers so it looks good. Here you go. All of that stuff is gotta go out. We're gonna wash the machine really well, clean it up, and make sure there's no issues with any stripped up wires or anything like that. We gotta make sure that this pump is 100% before delivering it, obviously. Then we're gonna go through the engine, make sure that engine has brand new filters, brand new oil, brand new belts. The air filter assembly has to be replaced. If there are any issues with the engine, we'll address them. We're gonna replace obviously the battery. There's a old battery with some straps there. Don't pay attention to that. All that's gotta go. We'll put a brand new battery. The fuel caps on both ends of this tank. I'll show you the other side. So here's the other side. It's got another fuel cap. So all of that stuff, all of these are going to be replaced. The belts on the engine are going to be replaced. We're gonna test all the electronics and make sure that all the safety features of the machine, such as the temperature sensor work and everything else, all the e-stops work. Then we're gonna go through, obviously the tires. We're gonna replace those tires. We're gonna clean them rims, make them look really beautiful and shiny, put brand new fenders, put brand new tires, put brand new brakes, and put brand new bearings for the axles. The axles are in perfect shape. There's nothing wrong with this. This is a 2017, so it has very low hours. The screen on it has broken up, so we already bought a brand new screen, so that one is coming in. Brand new key switch. I mean, there's a lot of this that is going, and we're going to be replacing it. The gauges here, the pressure gauges, will be replaced, as well as the side gauge for the temperature. All the stickers will be gone, and we'll put in the correct stickers, so it looks beautiful when you take it to your job site. Then next up is your bow body here. We got to make sure that there's no leaks, there's no issues with it. We're gonna take a look at every single function and make sure that it works properly, that there's no leaking on the switchover cylinders. And once that's done, then we go into the hopper. Now in the hopper, we're not gonna be changing much. Actually, this machine recently got replaced a lot of their wear items, such as the cutting ring, the wear plate, the kidney plate, the kidney seal, the agitator bearings. All those things have been replaced, so this machine doesn't need that. Mostly it's just cleaning it up and greasing it again and just bringing it back to fresh and making it look beautiful. Let me show you what it's gonna look like. Obviously this is a 1000. We don't have another 1000 of this model around here, but I'll show you what it looks like once it's gonna be finished. So once it's finished, it's gonna look something like this. It'll be beautiful, brand new stickers. Look at all the stuff that it needs, it will get. So if it needs a new agitator, it'll get a new agitator. All the stickers are original Schwing stickers. The side gauge, the temperature gauges, the pressure gauges, the e-stops are the right size. I mean, everything, all the details will be in to make sure that this pump looks, up to par, as factory as possible. That's what we do here. So we'll first disassemble it and make sure that all the items that we're visually inspecting that are wrong are actually wrong, and the ones that look right in fact are not something that is broken and needs to be replaced. So we'll disassemble the machine, kind of like what we got going on here, and then we'll start putting it together in our shop. Once we disassemble, we can then add more parts to what we already had estimated. Then the machine will come into the shop and we'll start assembling the parts and making sure everything is 100%, everything works the way it's supposed to, that the machine is going to respond, you know, to the performance required. And the final assembly will be something like this, where the machine is almost ready to go, washed up and cleaned up, and all new parts installed, and new stickers are about to come in, fenders are about to come in on this one. So that is the regular process. After this process right here, I'll show you. We do what's called pressure testing, where we connect this recycler of water, we fill the hopper with water and we recycle it, and we make a pump for a few hours just to make sure that there are no issues, just to ensure that whoever is taking this pump is gonna have no problems, no headaches. If the headaches happen, if the problems happen, I want them to happen right here in my shop so we can fix them before they go. And once this is done, then the final assembly, which you guys already saw in the shop. All right, I hope that answers all questions.